Olympic Airways regret to announce the delay of Flight 4022 to Athens due to depart at 13:45. This flight is now scheduled to depart at 15:40.
Flight delay are very common for passengers and be one of the major sources of disappointment and expenses in the airline sector. Based on the Bureau of Transportation Statistics, it shows that from year 2016 to year 2018, it shows increasing pattern, while in year 2018 to 2019, it shows that decreasing pattern of 22%. Because of flight delay, airlines will facing extra operational expenses. For example, foods, telephone calls, internet access for more than 2 hours or more, and then hotel accommodation. This problem also can cause harm to the environmental effect of increasing fuel consumption and gas emission. This delay problem also can affect marketing strategies for airlines. By doing this study, it will help the airlines company from losing their profit and also help consumers from wasting their time and extra expenses. The main purpose of this study is to examine the flight delay at airports which experienced by the United States, US in 2019. We are also able to determine which destination airlines are facing the highest flight delay as well as cancelled flight due to unavoidable reasons. So basically, in our project, we have 3 objectives. First of all is to examine situation of flight delay more than 15 minutes, in depart delay and arrival delay based on their carrier airlines. Secondly, to determine the top 10 destination of flight that facing the highest flight in depart delay and arrival delay based on the airlines. And thirdly, to identify the cancelled flight and diverted flight based on indicator name of day in January 2019.
Easier to understand and to present interactive way, we had developed a few checks to meet every hour duty in this project. The first check is all about departure delay cases for every carrier airline in January 2019. This problem happened when carrier airline depart delay for 15 minutes or more from their actual depart time. From the 70 carrier airlines stated in this chart, we can see that carrier airline with IATA code WN or also known as the Southwest Airlines was the airline that faces the most cases of departure delay case with 18.5 thousand cases, followed by the Skywest Airline with 12.7 thousand cases and American Airlines in with 12.1 thousand cases. The second check is about carrier airline that faced arrival delay during the operation in January 2019. This check is led by Southwest Airlines with 16,000 cases, followed by Skywest Airlines and American Airlines in. Actually, this check is related with first check since departure time will be affect the arrival time. So this show that this both value is correct to each other. That's why this check is still dominated by the same airline with the first check.
Check 3. Top 10 highest destination airport delay by departure time. And check 4. Top 10 highest destination airport delay by arrival time. The delay time that I've mentioned just now was determined when the flight was 15 minutes late or more than their expected time. Since United States has a lot of airports, so we decided to examine that top 10 highest destination that face both problems. After sorting all the data, we know that O'Hare International Airport in Chicago is the highest destination airport that face both problems, which is departure delay and arrival delay. Meanwhile, for the opposite, Denver International Airport in Colorado is the lowest that had faced both problems.
The last check to our project is about cancelled and diverted flight based on the data of the day. Before we create this check, we need to derive the new attribute first because from the original set, the date is shown by scaling number from 1 to 7 to show from Monday to Sunday. From the check, we can see that cancelled flight mostly happen during Wednesday and diverted flight mostly happen during Tuesday. This cancelled and diverted flight happen because of several reasons. The reasons are because of the bad weather, technical problem, or any related problem that make airplane unable to fly according to original schedule. This check will help the top management to know which day between the week that the company spent a lot of money due to the cancelled and diverted flight.
Now, let's take a look on the dashboard. This is the main dashboard. We have all the important information about the flight delay prediction in 2019 for United States. On the left side, there is 2 cluster bar chart about departure flight delay and arrival flight delay by airline. Here is 17 airlines in United States, starting from WN until HE. And then we have the donut chart that shows us the top 10 highest destination airports that face the departure flight delay and arrival flight delay. We can see both of the donut charts led by O'Hare International Airport. So here is O'Hare International Airport, and this is O'Hare International Airport too for arrival flight delay. The last chart is number of cancelled and diverted flights sorting by days. The highest cancelled and diverted flight is on Wednesday for about 3,392. Meanwhile, the lowest is Friday for 896 cases. You can see at the top of the dashboard we have three slices, or we can call it all over button: airport, departure flight delay, and arrival flight delay. If you click at the airport slicer, it will show you all of 347 airports in United States, starting from ABE and then ABI and then ABQ, ABR, and so on. This slicer is related to the chart below, which is cancelled and diverted flight by days. Next to it is slicer for departure and arrival delay, and it is related to donut chart below. If you click on it, it will show you the name of the top 10 airport destination. Dallas Fort, Denver, we have LaGuardia Airport, Mount Karen International Airport, and many more. Just click on it and it will show you the donut chart below. This is the second dashboard. It will tell you about airline. If you look at it, there are tables, slicer, and charts. Just to make it simple, the user can choose either to click on the slicer or click on the table. For example, click on the slicer and choose OH airline. So, choose the OH airline. What will happen next? Yes, the chart will automatically show you everything about the OH airline. Same goes to the table. If you click on the airline, it will show you exactly same like what the slicer did before. In this dashboard, there are two tables, two donut charts, and two maps. The third dashboard will explain about airport. Just like before, just click on the table and choose any airport that you want to do. So here I choose DFW, which is Dallas Fort Worth International Airport for departure delay. The maps will show you the location of the airport chosen. Okay, same goes to arrival delay. So I will choose Hartfield Jackson Atlanta International Airport for arrival delay. The maps will show you the location of the international airport chosen. Both charts and maps will highlight the airport you clicked before. Okay, next we will show you the last dashboard, which is dashboard about time. It will show you which day has highest, moderate, lowest of cancelled and diverted flight. Okay, just like before, click on the name of the day. For example, I will click Monday. Then, all of the chart below will show you what happened on Monday. That's it, easy right? With one click, it will give you more information. Let's go to the final point, conclusion.
Basically, in conclusion, our dashboard will give the solution for the user who are planning to go somewhere by using flight. Southwest Airlines, or known code as WN, needs to manage their time properly and targeted to reach on time of each of their airlines. Besides experience losses, they will also facing lack of funds due to maintenance of aircraft is quite pricey. The user can make a plan first before purchasing a ticket to avoid any problem that usually occur.